What's up, YouTube? What's going on? Dipstar81 back again. As you probably noticed by now of the title, that's probably why you've come to look at this video. This is the unboxing of my new 25-piece metric combination spanner set from Toolpro. Went down to Super Cheap this morning, picked these up for a bargain price of $59.95 on special. So loving that price. You know, for the DIY jobs at home, these guys, hopefully they do the job. Don't know yet, only just got them. So a little bit about them. Like I said, it's the Toolpro 25-piece metric combination spanner set. It is the full set of Toolpro combination spanners, ranging from 6 up to 32, and the sizes include from 6 up to 28 mil, no skips whatsoever, and then 30 and 32. So it's, like I said, it's a complete set. You know, no need to buy add-ons or whatnot. You've got the whole lot in one go. I think from memory they're normally, the set's normally 120 or something like that. So yeah, anyway, let's get into this, guys. Oh, and I forgot, I bought a 15-piece spanner set holder, slot spanner holder. So anyway, we'll get into this, guys. We'll open this up and we'll see what we got inside. So they come in a what, like a wallet. I think it's a vinyl. I think it's vinyl. Let's read a little bit about this. So warranty. This product is guaranteed against defects for lifetime of the product. Warranty is provided by Super Cheap. Super Cheap Auto will offer a repair, replacement product or store credit if the product is assessed as being defective during the warranty period. Excuse me. So lifetime warranty. Anything happens, they break, they splay, they whatever, they start to strip on the ring spanner end, and take them back and get it replaced. Alright, so yeah. We don't need that box anyway. So like I said, they come in a wallet, Velcro clasp here, keep it shut. Try and get you guys a shot of this whole set. Like I said, it's the complete set. Comes with the wallet. One thing I do notice about this and I like about it, here, most other, like, I looked at a few other spanner sets and all the ones that come in the wallets, they all have plastic here. Whereas this guy has actually a mesh. I think it's like a, it's not, it doesn't feel like it's plastic. It feels like it's the same material as the actual wallet. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. The spanner holder, it's just a 15-piece holder. So you can stick it in the toolbox and organise the toolbox a bit better instead of just having them laying around. You can fit more in that way. I have to try and find one that's a 10-piece one as well, so I can fit them all in. You know, like I said, it goes from 6 all the way to 28, no skips, 30 and 32. Let me just put the camera. I don't suppose you need to look at them now, you see. So yeah, it's just a quick one, guys, just to open them up. And I noticed there's a few scratches on the, I don't know if you can see because of the light, but yeah, you can't, camera won't pick it up, but they're a chrome vanadium full mirror polished finish. but I noticed there's a few scratches in the finish. Hopefully that doesn't affect them starting to rust. Like being the 32mm, how often do you use it, you know? So it's probably just going to be sitting in the toolbox for a while. So hopefully I don't start to see any surface rust or anything because of that. Yeah, they're quite, they got a nice, no real flex in them. Oh, so I did just notice that there's actually a blemish on the 32 on the ring end. So just there. So I might actually take this guy back in and get him to replace this one straight away. I'm going to have to go through all of them now and check them, and just to make sure, because without the chrome plating on it, it'll just rust. So, you know, you got the smaller sizes up here in the corner, 6 to 14, and 15 to, like I said, 32 down the bottom. You get the wallet, which you can hang up on the wall because it's got a couple of rings there, so you can hang them up, but I won't be doing that. I'll be putting them in the toolbox with the slotted spanner holder. So yeah, like I said guys, it was just a quick one today. Hope you guys are all doing okay. Yeah, and so if you like the video guys, if you like the content, if you don't, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. I don't mind, it's up to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you get notified of new content. Heads up, the next video will be a toolbox tour. Finally got the toolbox organized in such a manner that I can do one. So yeah, hope to see you guys back on the channel again. DivStar81, you guys stay healthy, and I'm out of here.